now, I don't know whether it is corruption or what, which is what you should watch out for, because there are a few cases which I have referred to the CJ and even to the principal judge when he was the principal judge. Like, for instance, recently a case which I went to handle in Kiboga. I had to go there physically, and I had to become president, commander-in-chief, temporary chief justice, prosecutor. I was everything. Because I could see it was going to cause us really a fallout between the whole state and the people. I was in Masindi on my tours, then I watched on TV. So a boy had gone and evicted a man from a farm which was already developed with permanent houses, with structures, permanent structures in Kiboga, a place called Dwaniro. I said, no, I should physically go and visit that place. So I went there. When I arrived there, I found the owner of the farm had been evicted. And these people were there. They had come with armed people. The one occupying, the man had to go away with his cows, with his sheep. The other man, some were left there. So, when I said, what are the facts? I found the people had gathered there. What are the facts? Now, the claim was that that land was freehold given in the 1930s to an Indian company or something like that. Then this man who was there, I've forgotten his name, he was a Muslim man, had bought a Mairo from somebody in after the war of Ruwero, and started farming there and had a farm there. I think he had even like a deep tank or something like that. Now, this person was saying that it had been repossessed under the custodian, the Indian properties, custodian board. But the matter was still in the Ministry of Lands. They took the matter to the Ministry of Lands to look at the title and decide. When they were still in that process, this fellow came with soldiers, with what, and chased the other one. Now, where the danger for the judiciary is, he quickly ran to a magistrate who now put, you call it an injunction. Is it injunction or what? What is it called? Is this injunction?
It is an injunction, is an order stopping you from doing something.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
There's another word. What is it? What is the other word of your words?
There is normally interim and then the final.
There's an injunction, there's another word which...
Eviction order. Eviction order or something?
No. A caveat.
Oh, caveat is lodged where the title is to warn anyone who wants to
I think that's the word I was looking for.
Oh, caveat, yes.
That he had put caveat that now the status quo should be maintained. Now, what was the status quo? The status quo of the invader. The invader now, the one who invaded and chased, had established a status quo, which now the court said should be maintained. Can you imagine? For me, when I had status quo, I thought it was the original stayee, the one who was the farmer. Now, this court, in very quick time, you should really investigate this. That now the status quo, meaning the invader, now had created a status quo. So the judicial was saying it should not be disturbed. So that's why I said I am a guerrilla, I'm not a lawyer. I chase you. I remove you. So I went against your caveat, against your injection. I arrested him. I arrested the invader. I arrested the... So this, why should you, especially you do it, there's also what they call ex parte. Is it ex parte? For one side only.
Yeah, ex parte means in the absence of one of the parties.
Yes, yes. This is very dangerous. It was really... so I really beg you people to... Our acting PJ, you look into that matter of who is this magistrate? Who interfered in this quarrel of these people who are doing wrong things? Because even if you are to evict, who does the eviction? And I think even the CJ had written some guidelines, some judicial, when I discussed with him some years ago, he wrote some guidelines. Even if the eviction is to be there, it must be like this, must be like this, must be like this. What? No, all those don't matter.
It was by Chief Justice Katurebe.
Okay, yes. Because I complained to him. Because this is justice, which is like elitist, but in an illiterate or semi-illiterate population, without money, without a lot of means. So if you are not careful, you can really do a lot of injustice. So I would really appeal to the judiciary to look at that case. Abodo was there. If you ask Abodo, they were there when I was also now doing my own judicial work. So I judged the case. I said, you go. You are the one who is wrong. Then but I really thought this was, these people are going to cause us a big fallout with the population. So when I came in, the whole population was so happy, so happy. So I think there's a danger there, the danger of there's another case which I gave to Justice Zeja recently, a case of somebody, another. You wonder how anybody would, so obviously unfair. So therefore, I appeal to the judicial, to the CJ, to the whole judicial system, to really, I don't know what can be done, but you think about it. What do we do with these Are they rogue? I want to really find out. Is it magistrate, whoever decided in this case? I have not had time because I was busy. But now, please find out. How could you ask them, call that person, the judge, the magistrate or whatever? How did you, does it make sense to you people? That the invader now, without court order, is the status quo. Me, I judged, I said, no, status quo is the other one.